Racing just is started with Newsmaker para sa amin is running by the rail. Moving upon the outside, Serenata, Jupiter, Thunder, Ninjutsu, Semper Fidelis comes next, Simple Beauty, Limbus, Pet Paradiso, then comes Most Unbelievable, while Just Right is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn, we have Para sa amin by length, and in second is Newsmaker, down on the inside is Jupiter, Thunder, alongside now on the outside is Andrew 8, and this one is Serenata, Ninjutsu is down in 5th, Semper Fidelis is racing in 6th, Simple Beauty, Just Right, then next online now is Most Unbelievable, running by the release Limbus Pet, while Paradiso now racing in 11th, and at the far turn we have Para sa amin, still in control, maintaining a length and a half lead, and in second is Newsmaker, Semper Fidelis, Jupiter, Thunder, Ninjutsu, Simple Beauty, Serenata, Most Unbelievable comes next, Just Right, Limbus Pet, while Paradiso still racing in last as they swing for home. We have Para sa amin by our length and a half, moving up on the outside, Semper Fidelis, Jupiter, Thunder, last 75 meters, we have Para sa amin, moving up is Semper Fidelis to take the lead, and finally Semper Fidelis para sa amin. Then comes Jupiter, Thunder, Newsmaker, 11 Simple Beauty, and Ninjutsu.